Hi guys, in this live stream I'm going to show you that how we can create a Shopify store using down theme, and we will also explore other stuff. So this is our third live stream, so I will try my best to make it more regular so that you should also gain more knowledge from these tutorials. So in the previous two, I have already told you how we can do minor customizations. So if you have something in your mind, so in the next live stream we will discuss that. But for now, I wanted to show you how we can customize the down theme and how we can do most of the stuff into that. So actually I have a lot of themes which I already have, like paid themes and free themes. So you can see I have this list of themes. Like Brooklyn, Debut, Empire, Focal, Impact, almost all the themes. I have 100 plus themes in my bucket list. So if you have needed any of them, you can message me. I will help you out in that. You can see that we have all the paid themes like Symmetry, Turbo, Unseen, Vantage, Warehouse. So if you need something, you can ask me. I will definitely send you one of the copy. So today let's go ahead with the tutorial. So I have already given the points here, like we will go through the customization, create navigation, pages, product page. Then after we will create some templates for different products, and we will also create some products. We will place a dummy order. We will go through the analytics, we will create sliding announcement bar, we will create marquee, and we will also create testimonial slider, and then we will do customization in the footer. So let's go ahead with the first step. The first step here is let's do some customization in the dashboard. So right now I have installed Impact theme. So I am interested to install down theme. So you should scroll it down, and here we have the list of free themes. So click on add, and it will automatically install the latest version of down theme. And right now the latest version is 13th version. So if you have any old version, you can also upgrade it to the latest one, because in most of the cases Shopify keep updating security related stuff, additional new features. So you can actually get the benefit out of those new things in the latest themes. So here you can see we have 13.0.1. So I'm going to publish this one. Click on publish. Let's see how it looks now. So here is the preview of the store. So you can see that we have this one. We can go to the catalog. We can go to any of the product. We can also go to the contact page and then go back to the home page. And let me show you how we can do some minor customizations. So you should click on customize, and here we have the home page. First of all, we are interested to show a top bar. Can you see that is also known as announcement bar? So here we have welcome to our store. So for example, this is the message, welcome to our store. We can also link some product to that. For example, I am linking all the products when someone is clicking on that. So if you will refresh here, and if you are clicking on welcome to our store, so it will actually land you to all the products. Next is if we are interested to add some additional, so you can write here premium products here. So this is the second, and the third is, for example, free shipping in US. So if you want, you can also link any of the product or maybe collection or any other page. So click on save, and we have some more customization on the top announcement bar. You can actually change the color schema. So right now that is white, we can make it black. You can show separate line. Actually here we have a separate line to the header and this. So you can also disable this if you want. Show icon on desktop. So right now we don't have any icon, so it will not show. Auto rotate announcement bar, so it will auto rotate. Right now if we are clicking, then you can see this is sliding, but this can be auto rotated. So you can make it 4 seconds. After each 4 seconds it will be rotated, and then we have the save option. Now let's move ahead with the header part. So you can see we have some menu. Middle left means desktop logo position. If you want, you can make it middle center. So in that way the navigation will be in the left, in the middle we have logo, and in the right we have some icons. All right, and let me save these changes. So if you want, you can actually upload this logo here. So for example, I'm interested in uploading a specific logo here. So how you can do that? We have actually the settings, click on logo, and here we have some logos. So for example, I have this latest logo of my shop website course. So I added that. So here you can see that it is displaying. If you want, you can increase its width or height. Here we go. You can increase it more bigger or maybe decrease it, and then click on save. So that's how it will look like this. And then we have some other things, like if you want, you can add any block. So right now we don't have any other block. If you have installed any of the app, so maybe some more customization possibilities you will be having, but right now we have nothing. One more thing is, like if we are scrolling down and scrolling up, you can see this announcement bar is hiding, and this header is also hiding. And if you want to make it sticky, so you can click on scroll up, and always click on save, and you can see if I'm scrolling down, it is automatically sticky. I mean, header will remain as it is. If you want to remove it, you can remove it like this, so it will never show again. It will never show. If you are top, then it is there, otherwise it is not. And one more option is like on scroll up. For example, you are scrolling up, scrolling down will be hidden, and when scrolling up, it will automatically show. All right, so right now I am making this, and then after we have some additional sections, we will also explore them. Each of the section we will use. So right now we have image banner in this template, so click on that. Here we have some images to select. If you don't have, you can actually if you have any image, you can drop down here. If you don't have, for example, I have downloaded this image, so it will be used automatically at this banner. But for example, you don't have any image right now, so you can click on this and explore free images. So here we have a lot of free images. So for example, we have related to men's fashion, so you should click on that, scroll it down, and we have so many images which are free, which are not paid. I mean, you can use them. So for example, I am using this image, and then click on select. Second image you can also use, but right now we don't need. So here is image overlay opacity. For example, you are increasing the opacity, so it is more black. Now it is little dark, and now it is little better. So 20% is good. Then we have desktop content position. So you can see we have this title, browse our latest products and shop all. So if you want, you can actually make it to the top left, or maybe to the top center, or maybe middle center. So here you can see we have middle center. Most of the cases people use here in the middle, or maybe bottom center like this. Okay, and then we have banner height. So we can actually make it medium also. So now it is looking more better. And we have also the color schema to edit all your theme color. Go through theme settings. So right now we don't need to update any. So maybe for example, I am choosing this. So you can see the text color is updated, but right now we are interested to make it white, so that's why it is looking like this. And then we have image behavior. Image behavior is ambient movement. So this is the new effect which Shopify has added. So you can see that this image is slightly moving from down, then up, then left, right. So this is called as ambient movement. So this looks more entertaining, or maybe you can say more interesting. And then after we have stack images on mobile, for example. So that is something like, for example, you are interested to see the mobile view, so it will look like this. If you are adding this stack images on mobile, so right now we only have one image, so it will not show. But if you are adding some additional blocks right now, sorry, yeah, for example, you have more images, Right now you can see we have one image, and I am adding another image. For example, can you see both the images are displayed here? And then after, in the mobile view, can you see the image is left and right? So if you want to stack image on mobile, so you can see the first image is on the top and second is in the center, in the bottom, and we don't want like that. Show container on mobile, so this container we don't need, so it will be hidden. And one more thing is, like, right now we don't need this image because you can see that this image is not looking more beautiful, right? So let's remove this image. Okay, and then after you should save the changes. So that's how you will adjust the banner. Then we have this text. You can update the text from here, like here I can write like all you can branded products. Okay, you can make the size medium or maybe small. So right now I am making them medium. Then we have button. So here you can actually write shop all or maybe shop now, and you can link the products. So right now we have linked all the products. If you want to change to any other, so you can also do that. For example, you are interested to connect a customer to only underwears or maybe t-shirts, so that thing you can also do. But right now I am interested to make them to land to all the products, so I will connect to all products. And one more thing is use outline button style. If you are disabling this, then button will look like this. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And one more thing is, like, you have also one more option, so you can add another button also. For example, I am writing here buy now, so you can see on the right we have another, but it is disabled now because we have not connected any of the product. So for example, I am connecting a single product here, so you can see that this is also enabled, but right now you don't need. So I am going to delete this label and automatically this will be hidden. Okay, and one more block you can add, which is text. So here we have a small text, you can put it here, and if you want you can write something here. Okay, means all products are branded and latest fashion. So you can add any of the line. If you don't need, you should not add it here. Now next thing is, here they have already added featured collection. If you want, you can remove it and it will be more blank. So let's explore all the things step by step. So first example, I have this featured collection first of all, so you should click on it, and here you can see that we have all the products which will be specific to that collection. Right now I have created one collection, so how you can do that, you should go to the dashboard. Right now I have some products, so you can see that we have so many products. I am going to make them enable, so some of them are in draft, so I'm going to make them active. Wait a minute, so let's do step by step. We have this t-shirt, and then after we have few more products, so I'm going to make them active so that you should see the example more better. Here we go, we have the t-shirt. So how you can create the collection, that thing I am going to make you understand. So click on collection. Here you can see that we have two collections already, but a new collection you can create by clicking on create new collection, and I can say like branded products. Okay, this is the collection name. So I'm going to add them manually, or you can also make them automatic by adding some conditions. Here we have some conditions, but right now I'm adding manually. So click on save, and here you can actually browse them. So I'm going to select all of these latest products which I have just added, and then let me refresh this page. But before that, let me save the changes, and then after you can refresh it back. Here you can see that we have featured collection. Right now we have not selected any collection. So here you can see I am going to write branded products, and I am going to make the title heading size smaller, and then here I can actually select the collection name. So just a second, we have this collection. Click on select collection and branded products, and then click on select. So here you can see that we have all the products listed in that collection. So now displaying here. So you can also maximum products to show. Here you can write like for example 25. So all the products are displaying here, and in each of the row you can reduce or maybe increase the number of products. Right now we have 4. If you want, you can make them 5. Okay, make products full width, and maybe you can also write the subtitle, but we don't have any. So yeah, that's how. So enable carousel on desktop, you can also enable it. So in that way you can see that this will be the carousel. Can you see? So this will slide from left to right, and here we have the image ratio. So actually if we are selecting adopt to image, so this is looking more not better because this is not aligned. So if we are adding square, so in that way you can see that all the width of all the products are similar. Image shape you can change. This is circular, this is blob. Can you see? This is blob, chronic left, chevron left, chevron right, diamond. So these are new features added into that into latest theme. So can you see this is circular? So if you want, you can keep them circular, and then after few other things, let's see. Enable swipe on mobile. I am going to swipe in the mobile. Can you see? This is the situation of the mobile. So this will look more better. Can you see? And then after, let's see the another part, which is add a new section, which is featured product. So featured products means one of the product you can add it here, so that if someone is coming to your store on the home page, so he could able to see this product, because we are giving the priority to this product actually. So for example this one. So can you see this is looking like this, and then we can change the title if you want. But right now the title is default, like we have created into our product. Then we have prices, variant picker, buy now button and all. So everything is added here. Okay, we don't need to do anything. Click on this featured product, and here we have some more settings if you want. So show secondary background. If you are clicking on this background, so you can see that the background is little different now. Okay, and you can change the color schema, and accordingly the background will be reflecting. Can you see here? Like this is looking like this. Okay, this is looking more better now. And here we have fill. Maybe make it original. Yeah. So this is the second section which we have created. Now let's see. This was the announcement bar, then header, then banner, and then we have added the collections, and now we have the featured product. And let's see another section, which is collection list. So right now we have only 3 collections. Can you see? If we are clicking on collection, we have 3 collections. So if you wanted to list all of them here, you can also do that. For example, I'm clicking on any of the collection here, like branded, and then second collection is something like home, and the third one is new arrival. Yeah. So since we have not added the image in the home page collection, so that's why it is not reflecting. Click on home page. So right now we have not selected any of the products. So let me select one of them and let's add it. And then let me see here. So if you have not added any of the image, can you see here we have the options to add the image. If you have not added, then it will automatically fetch the product image. Here we go. Now you can see that this is the image. If we are updating the image here in this collection, so let me maybe for example, I'm adding any image, something similar. Wait a minute. We have so many images, so yeah, for example, I'm adding this one, and let me save these changes and let me refresh it back. Now you will see that we have now, oh sorry, that is not reflecting. It should show, yeah, this is showing now. So that means now the collection image is displaying. So if you want, you can actually reduce this title size from small, sorry, that is not the one. This is the title, this one, make it smaller. Oh sorry, this is actually the featured product, not the, yeah, medium, make it medium. And let's see now collection list. So we have also the small title, here we have to add it, and then we have collection. So number of columns on desktop, you can also increase or decrease. Right now I have only 3 collections, so that's why I have added the 3. And now you can also see enable view all. If I am enabling view all button, so it will definitely show here the view all. Let me create that. For example, I am adding 2 columns in that way. The next column will be in the bottom. Got it. Okay, so view all button. If list includes more collections than shown, yeah, right. If there are more than there are so many collections, then view all button will be applied. Okay, and if we are enabling swipe on mobile, so how it will look? It will look this like this. Okay, now let's see the other stuff. The next section is rich text. So this is something like, for example, you are explaining about your brand or something. So maybe about us, about our shop. So here you can write some description, you can add the product, and you can write here like buy now. So you can link a specific product so that any of the customer is coming and he is interested to see what you are selling. So in that way he will be redirected from here. So this is simple. Then after we have another section which is image with text. Okay, click on it, and here we have image with text. So you can actually do a lot of stuff. Image second, so image will be on the right and text will be on the left. If you are making it image first, image will be in the left. And then we have desktop content position. Yeah, this is center now. Adopt to image. Right now we don't have any image, so if we are adding any of the image from here, for example this one, so this image I have selected, but you know this is too big. So how we can make it smaller? So you can make it medium. So now it is adjusted. Okay, and then we have one more thing which is related to color schema. So I'm going to choose this one. So this is looking a little bit better. Okay, then we have another section which is related to image banner. So image banner we already explored on the top. So this was the image banner actually. Okay, so that we already did this one, so we don't need to explore this one now. Now see, add another section which is slideshow. So slideshow is helping us to slide multiple images. So for example, I am adding some more images here. Let me edit this one, and then after, for example, this one, and one more image. Let me add it. Maybe this one. Okay, so all the images I have added now, and these are sliding. So slide every 5 seconds. Auto rotate slides, you can also enable it, and slider height is medium, that is good, and layout is grid or full width. So maybe right now we have to add it full width. And ambient movement means the same way which I explained to you before, like the images will be moving. Okay, so that will create a kind of effect. Okay, and then after we have settings related to image slide. So here we can write best products, and you can with fashion. We can add it here something different, men and women. Okay, and then we have the option to add some small details. We can add the link, like maybe shop now. Okay, so shop now, you can add it into this one also, and here also. So you can link any of the product here, and then after, if you want, you can actually use outline button style. So here right now we are interested to make it like this, and we can also change the color schema. Okay, so for example this one, so you can see this is black, but right now I'm interested to make it white. And if I'm clicking on slideshow again, and yeah, we almost done all the headings. One more thing is, like, can you see the slider here? We have numbering. If you want dot, it will add dot. If you want numbers, it will add numbers. So right now I am adding dots because these are looking more professional. Okay, so just a second. Okay, perfect. So let's see the next thing, which is click on add section, click on college. So here you can actually add some more products or maybe branded images. So this will help you to just promote your store actually. So for example, I am selecting any of the product here, any of the image, maybe this one or this one or this one. And we can also connect any of the our product, for example this t-shirt, and we can also connect a collection here, for example new arrival, and here you can see that this is more filled. Okay, then we have another section which is like multi-column. So in the multi-column you can add additional information. So right now we don't have much things to add here, but we can add it here. So we have column, we can add some images. So you can see we can add images, and for example I am adding more images here like this, and like this. So this is how this will look. Okay, so if I am adding here like circle, so you can see this is looking more beautiful, and column alignment is center. So now everything is in the center, and if you don't want this button, you can remove this button. So now this is looking more professional. Can you see? So we were here, we created the collection, we created the featured product, we created featured collection, then we have some additional block. So maybe wait a minute, image with text, then we have rich text. So let me change the schema of this. Yeah, and image with text, let me change the schema with different thing. Yeah, this is looking more best. Okay, Here we have the slider, and we have college. In the college we can make the heading size more smaller, and the last thing which we did is multi-column. So multi-column is also looking good. Okay, so you can reduce the height and width. Actually here you can see this is more smaller. Yeah, this is looking more better. So another section is click on add section, and we have multiple rows. So we have so many rows, like 1 2 3. So if you need it, you can keep it, otherwise you can leave it. But for now, this is how it will work. Like you have an image, you have text, you have some additional information, and then you can actually make it buy now button. And let's see another section which is like collapsible content. So in most of cases, this collapsible content is needed on our question answer, FAQ page. So for example, I'm writing here FAQ, and sorry, not here. On the top we need to write FAQ, and here we can actually write like how to pay. So in the description you can write some dummy text, so maybe lorem ipsum. From here I am going to copy the text. Actually this is the website where we can freely copy the content and it will not have any copyright. So I am pasting here. You can see this is looking like this, and in another you can also put it here, and then here we have another one. So now if you are sliding like this, it will look like this. Okay, so in most of the cases this is about FAQ section. And then we have another section which is related to email. So we already have that email section. Can you see in the bottom we already added, so we don't need here. And then after we have contact form. So we can add here the contact form, but right now we already have on the contact us page, so we don't need it here. Then we have the video section. So in the video section you can actually connect any of your YouTube video maybe. So for example, you have any YouTube video. So let me see here, maybe first say example, you are adding something related to fashion. Okay, so this is the image, this is actually the video. So if I'm copying this and pasting it here, so it will automatically load it here. And right now yeah, we have also another option of loading our own internal video. Right now I don't have, but we can add it. Yeah, let me save it and then let's see. Featured video. Let me make it small. Play video on loop, so it will automatically play. Yeah, okay, just a second, let me add something. Maybe a video I am going to upload. So here I have another video here in my desktop, this video. So I'm going to drag and drop it here. It is loading. Once it is uploading, and then it will actually automatically loop, repeat over and over again. So let's see. So let's see on the front like how it is looking now. Yeah, this is looking a lot more beautiful than before. Here you can see we have collection, we have about, we have text, we have this college, we have multi columns, we have FAQ, we have video. And yeah, if we are going to any of the product, so this is our product page. We have, you may also like, this is actually related products, so those are also displaying. it is taking so long? It should upload quickly. I have few questions, like someone is asking about PayPal Express checkout in e-commerce clothing theme. So actually I don't have the code for this, but I can create it for you. So maybe you can connect me. You should connect me. I will create a new code actually. So in the comment section they have asked me some questions. So okay, no problem. So I will help them out. Wait a minute, why this is not uploading? So maybe I should upload another video. Yeah, for example, related to this. These videos are not uploading, I don't know why. Okay, no problem. So actually you can upload them, and then after you can see like how these are looking, but this is quite simple. This is not much difficult. So let me maybe refresh it. Okay, no problem. And then after we have another section which is related to blog posts. So right now we don't have any blog post, so you can add the blog posts here, and yeah, this will look more beautiful. Click on add section. We have custom liquids. Custom liquid means for example you have any of the code which you are interested to write, and I mean some features are not solved by their sections, so you can solve it by this. For example, I'm writing here like image tag src equals to maybe I'm going to search any image on internet and going to use it here. For example, this image. Right click and click on open, maybe open image in new tab, and copy this link. Wait a minute, copy this link, and then you can actually paste it right here and then click on save. So that image is displaying here. So this is using custom code. Okay, then the last section was page. If you have any other page you already created, that you can connect here, but right now we don't have any page. Okay, that's how you can create the home page. And now let's move ahead with the product page. We already created the products. So for example, I'm going to any of the product. Here we have multiple settings like product information, and we have, you may also like products, and there are multiple sections here. So you can see we have collapsible rows. So in these collapsible rows, what we can do is we can paste something like security, and we can add another collapsible row. These are actually some question answers. More information, and you can choose different icons from here. Maybe for security we have something related to star, and you can also write something related to inventory status. So here you can see that 50 in stock. So this inventory status I'm going to paste it right here. So you can see that 50 in stock. So this is the latest feature which Shopify has added. So this green signal is showing, and then we have the pop-up if you want. Yeah, but right now we don't have any pop-up, so this is also the good feature. Product ratings, you can also write complementary products. Great feature. Price tag, yeah, these things are pending but not available here, but these are really amazing things, you know. Okay, great. So these things you can do on your product page. Click on save. You can customize your related products. So here we have choose any of the collection right now. Okay, so other sections are also here, so you can able to customize it on the product page. Yeah, that's it. So we did the things related to customization. Now let me show you how you can do the customization in your navigation. So here we have to click on online store, click on navigation. Here we have footer menus, we have main menu. So in the main menu you can actually add it something else, like for example we have right now some pages related to contact. So contact is also connected. If we are interested to make a page related to about us, so click on add a page, click here about us and click save, and then after you should go to the navigation and enable it there. Here you should write about and then link that image from here, link that page from here, like about us. Click on add, click on save. So this is on the top menu, so let me refresh it, and on the top you can see that we have this about us page. So how you can customize this page? You can go back, click on refresh it back, and then after you should click on about us page, this one, and here we have some options to add some text or something. So you can hide this, you can add like about us, you can add any form if you want. So for example this is the contact form, so you can add it here. You can also add some additional features, like maybe you want something related to image with text. Yeah, this thing you can also add. Click on save. So that's how you can create some pages. And navigations I already mentioned you, like how you can make them happen. Second is like create templates for products. So right now we have a common default template for our products. Here you can see we have products, we have templates. If you want, you can actually create a different template for them. So for example I am writing here custom, or maybe new arrival, new dash arrivals. Click on template and here we go. So this is new arrival. So what does it mean? Because in some cases, for example this section we don't need, and how we can hide them for some of the products. So in some cases, for example in new arrivals, I am interested to hide this. So how you can do that? You should go to the products. So for example this is boys t-shirt and default product is selected, but I am interested in new arrival. Click on new arrival, and then I am going in the new arrival section, and I am not interested to use this like commentary, security, share. I don't want them. Let's save the changes and let me show you in the front end. So go to in the catalog, and here you will see like this is the product lower t-shirt. You can see we have security, more information, but if you are going to boys t-shirt, you can see that we don't have those options here because we have created a new template where we have did some customizations. So that's how you can differentiate some of the products. Okay, then the next thing is like create products. We already created products. We have to place order. So how we can place the order? Let's test it. So right now we have to go to the dashboard, and first say example this is the product. We have white t-shirt and I am going to write 0, means the price is 0. So let me save the changes, let me refresh it back, and you can see that the price of cream is 13 14 and wait a minute, this is the correct one. Yeah, no, this is the, okay, maybe, yeah, green. Why it is not updating? Okay, no problem. Let's go to the preview again and then see if it is showing or not. Yeah, it is showing now. Now 0.0. Actually, in most of the cases, some cache issue is there. So because of which the images, the value is not updating. So let me click on add to cart. This is view cart. And one more thing I wanted to explain you here, like in view cart. Okay, later on I will show you. Firstly, let's place the order. Click on checkout. And here we have some information which you can add it. So for example, I am adding all the information related to me. Yeah, here is like delivery is United States because we have in the settings only selected United States. That's why. So we need to add something similar. So Florida, what is the pin code of Florida? So I'm going to paste a dummy. So this is valid. Let's click on complete order and it will complete my order. Here you can see that we have thank you, Muhammad, and all the information is below, and from where I have placed the order, everything is there. And now I am going to see how the orders will be reflecting in my dashboard. So go to the dashboard and here you can see that orders. We have the latest order which is just now placed. And here we go. You can see boys t-shirt, and we can click on fulfill item, and we can add tracking order, tracking number, shipping carrier, and then click on fulfill item, and automatically it will be fulfilled. Okay, and then if you are going back, you can see that we have the status of fulfilled and paid. Okay, so that's how you can actually create the orders. Then after we have to go through the analytics. So analytics are there in this menu. So you can see that whatever orders we have right now, so those are reflecting here. So this is related to compared to yesterday. You can also see like today, yesterday, last 7 days, how much sales we have. So all the graph and everything is displaying here. Okay. Online conversion rates, total orders, average order value, sales by channel, online session, and we have some countries also, like from which country the order has been placed. And here we have the traffic, like from which country the traffic is more, and what are the pages where we have most of the traffic. All these things are helping you to analyze your store, like from where everything is going on. So this will definitely help you a lot. Okay, great. Now here we have some reports. So acquisition cost, session by location. So you can explore one of them, each of them. Then we have live view, like from where we have customers coming to our store. So we have active cards, checking out, purchased, how many have purchased, visitors right now, how many visitors we have on our store, from which country we have, which are the customers. So everything is over there. Okay, you can explore each single thing from this dashboard. So you will get to know like how you can identify and track the traffics on your stores. Okay, next thing is like go through analytics. Yeah, we did sliding announcement bar. So we already have the sliding announcement bar on the top. Can you see this one, which we set up in the beginning? Then we have marquee effect. So marquee effect, I already have actually some code, which is like I'm searching on internet. Marquee effect Shopify. So I already created a video, so you can watch that video. And yeah, this one.
Hi guys.
So this is my video. I'm going through this. Yeah, this is the video. So I am going to follow this thing. By the way, I need to check like.
Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can.
This is not the right video because I have actually published the latest video, so I need to.
Hi guys, Ramzan here.
So this is latest video. I have also written a blog post for that. Here is the blog post. So firstly I need to go to edit code. So let me go to the dashboard again. Here we have to click on edit code, and then after we need to create a new section for MarQ. So we have some templates. Click on section, add a new section, paste it the name and click on save. Then paste the below code, include code in the theme dot liquid. So this is the code. I'm going to remove this initial code and then paste the new code and then click on save. Once everything is saved, then we need to include this section into the theme. So actually we have theme.liquid. So we need to find out like where we have the announcement bar. Yeah, we don't have that. So here we can actually include it. So what we will do here, we'll write section and then MarQ. Okay. And if you are hopping over it, it will show you an arrow. So that is just helping you to understand like this is properly added. Okay. So this is the section which we included. Click on save. And then you can go to the page and refresh it back. Can you see on the top we have MarQ effect. And one more thing which you can do is like you can customize this also. So go to the customize section. And here you can see we have MarQ announcement. And on the right hand side you can see we have some message. We have the background. We can change the background from here if you want. Right now we have the different one. So for example I am adding red, and you can also change the text to white, to black, or maybe any other color. So right now it is better to keep it a little bit darker. Okay, so this is best color for now. And then after we can also connect a specific link here, but right now we are not interested into it. And one more thing is like for example you want to add some more message. So how you can use, you can add pipe symbol, and then you can write here free shipping for example, and once you are saving it, it will automatically separate it by some distance. Can you see? Welcome to our store, free shipping, welcome to store, free shipping. So everything will be repeated. Another thing is that into the MarQ effect you can increase or decrease the speed from this CSS. Can you see 7 seconds? You can reduce to 5 seconds, 4 seconds. And width, height you can also update. You can change the these are the stuff you can add. And you can also change the font family if you want. So everything you can do it inside of it. Okay. Then the next thing is testimonial slider. So right now I think we have long live stream. So in the next video I will show you how to testimonial slider. And then we have the next thing which is footer section. So in the footer section what we have is, scroll it down and we have footer, click on add section. We have email sign up which we already have, so we don't need it. So let me delete. And here you can see that we have footer. Yeah, this is, we can add the menu, we can add block of brand information, and we can add one more menu. Yeah, so in the quick menu I'm going to add footer menu. In the another quick menu I'm going to add the header menu, main menu, so it will be reflecting like this. So in the footer menu right now we don't have other things like privacy policy and stuff. So how we can add those privacy policy sections, privacy policy pages. So you can see that in the pages we don't have much pages, so you should click on settings and we have policies here. Can you see policies? click on them, and we can actually generate some custom templates. Create from template, click on create from template, click on create from template, and scroll it down. We have create template. So all the things are created now. Okay, click on save, and then after you can actually add it here. So you should refresh it back, click on quick links, click here, change menu, sorry, wait a minute, you have to go back to the dashboard again. Click on navigation, click on add menu, click on quick links, and click on add, and here we have like privacy policy, and you should select the privacy policy pages. Like we have policies, we have privacy policy, click on add, then we have refund policy. Okay, click on this, policies, refund policy, then we have terms and conditions. So click here, terms and conditions, click here, policies, terms and conditions, click on add, click on save. So that's it. You should refresh it back, and in the quick links you should select that. Scroll it down, we have quick links, and we have to change it, change menu to quick links, click on select. So you can see that we have now everything related to menu. Okay, then we have brand information. So right now we don't have like any connected social media. So if you want, you can add here the medias. Click here, social media. So here you can actually write some Facebook related stuff, https://Facebook. So automatically the Facebook will be added. Can you see Facebook is added? In the same way Instagram. So you can add some links here, so automatically those links will be reflecting. Click here, and here we go. Can you see? All those links are there. But right now this information we don't need here, because automatically in the bottom it is reflecting. So let's see what other thing we can add it here. We have related to, for example, image. So we can add the logo here maybe. Yeah, logo is more better. Yes, so maybe logo should be in the left and all the links should be in the right side. So that's how you can actually make it similar. And you can see we have quick links, we have also something like main menu, or maybe we can write here like contact me, main menu. Yeah, click on save. So that's how you can actually customize your footer. So in the footer you can also change the color schema. For example, I am writing here the black and white, so this is looking more better. Click on save. Here we have also the option of show privacy links. So in the footer also we have privacy links. One more thing is like we have powered by Shopify. So how we can remove this? So let me show you. Go to themes, click on this edit default theme content, and here you should write powered by. Powered. Here you can see the powered by. So click here and you press space. Click here, press space, and click on save. So automatically the powered by links will be removed. In the bottom you can see that we have no more powered by. One more thing is like if you are going to add to cart, click on view cart. So we have taxes, discount, and shipping calculated checkout. So if you are interested to remove this, you should copy it and you should paste it here, and you should remove it from here and press space and then click on save. So automatically from cart page it will be removed. Can you see? One more thing is, like, we have in the cart, we have multiple options. If you are clicking on it, it is redirecting somewhere else. So let me show you what exactly I mean. You should click on this settings. You should click on drawers. So sorry, wait a minute, I'm going to settings. We have cart, we have pop-up notification, so we can also make it drawer. Click on drawer, click on save. So let me show you what does it mean. Click here. For example, I am clicking on add to cart. So this is the right side drawer. Earlier we had the pop-up notification. Pop-up notification, I mean to say like this. So if I am saving, click on refresh, and if I am clicking on add to cart, so this is the pop-up notification. Okay, so one last thing is, like, if we are clicking on page, so it will not show any kind of pop-up or drawer. It will directly redirect us to the cart page. Click on add to cart, it will automatically making us to go to add to cart. And if we are adding drawer, so that is looking more better. Maybe go to product page, click on add to cart, and it is showing the drawer. Okay, so that's how you can do all these customization yourself. If you are facing any issue or you have any problem, then definitely you can ask me. I will help you out in that. So this was Shopify down theme. So in the next video we will explore some other themes. Okay, if you need any kind of paid theme, you can contact me. I will send you the copy of it. So if you have any other problem or something, you can definitely ask me. I will help you out. So if you have any new feature to develop, in that way I can also help. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel and also suggest me what are the content I need to cover up. If you have any problem I can solve. So that's how we will be more connected and more fruitful content I will able to create. So thank you once again. See you in the next live stream, of course.